Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create your own indicators in TradingView, that is using the plot function in the PineScript. In this entire video, we are using the free version of the TradingView. In the free version of TradingView, we cannot add more than 2 indicators. So by writing our own script, we can add more indicators. Along with that, we can also customize it based on our trading style. Now click on the Pine editor. Okay, so you'll get this tab. Now on the right hand side, click on the open. There click new indicator. So this will be a template. This is the indicator name. Okay, we will change this as Trader Chitra. So you can put any name as per your naming style, and there are multiple options. Okay, and I will explain one by one. So after that, you on the right hand side click on save. Okay, so it will prompt the name which we have already given. After that, you can click on save. So now go to the indicator. Okay, click on personal. So all your code scripts will be available here. That is, we have saved the Trader Chitra. So whatever the name you have saved, that will be available there. All right. So if we click on add to chart, okay, whatever we have coded will be added to the chart layout. All right. So we can see here, this is the code, that is Trader Chitra learning. We can see that the blue line is the code what we have written. Okay. And if we want this indicator to see on the chart, okay, we have to add one more parameter in the code. That is, we have to go to the coding and add one more parameter is equal to overlay equal to true. All right, and click on save, add to chart. Okay, so now we can see that the particular indicator is inside the inside the candles, that is on the chart. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to add 4 types of different EMAs. Okay, so just observe the coding. So we are adding 4 different types of EMAs. So first EMA is the 5. And we have copy pasted the code. So there we are changing the second EMA is 20 EMA and the third EMA is 100 EMA and the fourth EMA is the 200 EMA. So we have added 5, 20, 100 and 200 EMA. Now we are clicking on save and update on chart. So we can see there are 4 types of EMAs. Okay. So now all the 4 EMAs are on the chart. Okay. So but all the EMAs look in the same color, that is blue color. So for our understanding, we can change the color. Okay. So 5 EMA we are going to change the color red. Okay. Likewise, we can change the color of all the other 3 EMAs. So 20 EMA into green, 100 EMA in blue color, 200 EMA black in color. All right. Again, click on save, update on chart. So here we can see that the fastest moving average, that is 5 EMA is red in color. Next is 20 EMA green in color. Blue is the 100 EMA. 200 is the black EMA. All right. Also, there are like multiple options available in the plot functions where we can change the line width, style, etc. Okay. So for the learning purpose, I will show you like few examples. Just follow the steps. Okay. So here I am changing the line width equal to 2 of the 5 EMA. and I have changed the plot style is cross. Okay. So 5 EMA style cross and the 20 EMA I have changed that to steep line, and 100 EMA into diamond and the 200 EMA into step liner. Now save and update on chart. So I have changed the code, like 5 EMA, only 5 EMA have changed that to cross. The other EMA is 20, 100 and 200 into step liner. Okay, step line. So here we can see the EMAs, we can see it as a step line, and also the 5 EMA we can see it as a cross. Alright. And when you go to the settings, you can see the EMA 1 is 5, 2 is 20 and 3 is 100 and 4 is 200 EMA. So if you want to change, you can change here also. After coming to the settings, you can change any what are the settings available there. You can change into any line, thick line, thin line also you can do. Whether you want to change into circles or step line with the diamond also you can change. Okay. So now all the 4 indicators, that is all 4 the EMAs are plotted on the chart. Okay, so now the time frame, when you see, it is showing as 5 minutes. So in the 5 minutes time frame, we can see all the 4 EMAs. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to change all the indicators, that is all the EMAs into line. Okay, I have changed all the EMAs into line. All right, from step line to line I have changed. Okay, so if you want to see the same 5 minutes EMA in different time frame, if you go to 15 minutes or if you go to 1 minute or even 3 minutes or in 1 hour, you can see if you want to see the same 5 minutes EMA, we have to change the code here, that is time frame equal to 5 I have added. Save and update on chart. All right, so this is the 5 minutes EMAs. All the 4 EMAs are on 5 minutes. So if you are going to change the time frame to like 10 minutes or 15 minutes and click on OK. Okay, the same what we have seen on the 5 minutes, we can see the same in the 15 minutes. All right. If you change to 3 minutes also, whatever the EMA which we have seen in 5 minutes will be plotted here. All right. So what is the difference we can see here is the EMAs which I have coded in the code is for the 5 minutes. So if we change the time frame to 3 minutes, we can see the EMA for the 5 minutes, that is on the higher time frame. Okay, for the 5 minutes time frame, whatever the 5, 20 and 100, 200 EMAs are plotting, that we can see in the 3 minutes. Even if we change that to 15 minutes also, we are not seeing the EMAs of the 15 minutes. We are seeing the EMAs of the 5 minutes chart. So again I am repeating, the chart time frame is 5 minutes. Okay, but the EMAs are calculated based on the time frame what we have selected. Here we can see the time frame. So if you are selecting the time frame 3 minutes, the EMAs are calculated based on the time frame what we have selected. Or if we selected to 15 minutes time frame, the EMAs will be calculated based on the time frame. Okay. We have commented the code of the 4 moving averages. All right, so we have seen before how to plot the 4 moving averages, that is 5, 20, 100 and 200 EMA. So I have commented that. Okay, so now we are going to see, okay, here the code, we can see this is a code snippet of 5 and 200 moving averages. So you can see the display as none. Here the display I have mentioned it as none, means it won't plot the line. All right, okay. And the condition is, if the 5 EMA is greater than 200 EMA, it will be the bullish crossover. So the color we can see on the chart, that will be in green in color. So after writing the code, what we have to do, save and update on chart. After that we can see that is green and red in color. So the other condition, that is a 5 EMA is less than the 200 EMA, in that case it will be the bearish crossover. Alright, and that will, we can see in the red in color on the top here. Okay, so coming to the chart, okay, here we can see the green in color means 5 EMA crossed 200 EMA. We can convert into any time frame. Here I am showing in the 15 minutes time frame, that is 5 is greater than the 200 EMA. 5 EMA cross the 200 EMA. In that case it will be green in color, bullish crossover. The red in color is the bearish cross. Alright, so this is the code snippet you can do based on your requirement, and you can customize also. So what we have done is we have commented all the conditions that we have plotted above. Okay. Now the next scenario what we are going to see is, in the 5 minutes time frame chart, we are going to plot the 20 EMA. Okay. That is the code which I have written. Okay. So the green EMA is the 20 EMA in the 5 minutes time frame. So if you want to see the 20 EMA in the 15 minutes time frame, that also in the 5 minutes time frame chart, how can we see that? So that we are going to see now. Okay, that is a code which I have written. Okay, so the blue EMA is the 20 EMA in the 15 minutes that we are seeing in the 5 minutes time frame. So the same EMA, that is the 20 EMA in the 5 minutes is the green, and 20 EMA in the 15 minutes is the blue. Okay, so that we can see in the same chart, that is the Nifty 5 minutes time frame chart. Even we can see the same in the Bank Nifty also. All right. Okay, so that is the code which we are seeing now. In the 5 minutes time frame, the 20 EMA will be green in color. Okay, and the 20 EMA in the 15 minutes time frame will be blue in color. The same EMA in the different time frames we are seeing in the one chart. All right. So there are few more scenarios also we can add here, so that we can see in my upcoming videos. So you can take the code, you can write down the code, and you can do the same in the TradingView. Okay. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.